Want to give your Excel worksheets a professional and personalized look? Today, I'll show you how to easily change the background of your Excel worksheet using an image from your computer. Okay, let's jump right in. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to add a background. Next, click on the Page Layout tab from the ribbon at the top. Now, in the Page Setup group, click on Background. A new window will pop up asking you to select an image. You can choose a picture from your computer, from Bing Image Search, or from your OneDrive account. I want to insert an image from my desktop. So, here I click on From a File. Browse to Desktop, and select the image that I want to use as my background. Click on Insert. Since the background is black, default black text is not visible clearly. To fix this, select all the data by pressing Ctrl+A. Then go to the Home tab. Click on the Font Color drop-down and choose White. Once inserted, your selected image appears as the background of your worksheet. It doesn't interfere with your data and won't print. It's purely for visual enhancement. If you want to remove the background later, simply go back to the Page Layout tab and click on Delete Background. It's that easy. And that's how you can give your Excel worksheets a professional and customized look in just a few clicks. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.